Have you ever noticed how the deep, rich red color of beetroot almost feels alive? For many years, beets were considered ordinary, often overlooked, sometimes even avoided. But today, beet juice is quietly gaining attention, not as a miracle cure and not as a quick fix, but as a nutrient-dense drink that may gently support the body, especially for adults over 60 years old. Many people after 60 drink beet juice without fully understanding how it works. Others avoid it because they've heard conflicting information. So let me ask you, what actually happens when you drink beet juice daily after 60? How might it support circulation, energy, or overall wellness as we age? And how can you enjoy it safely without common mistakes? In today's video, we'll explore 12 science-backed benefits of drinking beet juice after 60, how to prepare it correctly, and what you should know before making it part of your routine. Stay with me until the end, because many people over 60 unknowingly reduce its benefits, and a few small adjustments may make a noticeable difference in how your body feels day to day. Before we begin, an important reminder. This video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional medical advice. Every body is different, especially after the age of 60. If you have medical conditions or take medications, always consult a qualified healthcare professional before making dietary changes. Now, let's explore what makes beet juice unique. Supports healthy blood flow. After 60, beets naturally contain dietary nitrates. Inside the body, these compounds are converted into nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and support circulation. For adults over 60, healthy circulation becomes increasingly important for delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Many people notice feeling less heavy, more balanced, slightly more energized, especially when beet juice is consumed earlier in the day. Many support energy and endurance. Feeling tired after 60 isn't always about sleep alone. Sometimes it's related to how efficiently oxygen reaches muscles and tissues. Beet juice has been studied in relation to oxygen efficiency, without stimulants or caffeine. For everyday life, this may support steadier daily energy, less afternoon fatigue, greater ease during light physical activity, which can be helpful for adults over 60 who want to stay active comfortably. Skin support from within. Healthy skin after 60 relies on circulation, hydration, and nutrient support. Beets contain vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural pigments called betalains, which help the body manage oxidative stress, a natural part of aging. With consistent, moderate use, many adults over 60 notice a more refreshed appearance, improved skin hydration, a healthier-looking complexion. These changes happen gradually as part of a balanced lifestyle. Heart-friendly nutrients. Beet juice is often included in heart-conscious eating patterns. It contains potassium, antioxidants, and naturally occurring nitrates that support circulation and fluid balance. For adults over 60, these nutrients may complement an overall heart-healthy lifestyle, alongside medical guidance and healthy habits. Brain circulation support. As we age, circulation to certain areas of the brain naturally changes. Some research suggests beet juice may support blood flow to areas involved in focus and mental clarity. Many adults over 60 describe clearer thinking, better alertness, improved focus during the day, especially when combined with hydration and gentle movement. Liver support. The liver plays a key role in processing nutrients and filtering waste. Beets contain betaine, a compound studied for its role in supporting normal liver function. For adults over 60, supporting liver health may contribute to better digestion, energy balance, and overall wellness. Inflammation awareness. Low-grade inflammation becomes more common with age. Betalains, the pigments responsible for beetroot's color, have antioxidant properties that help the body manage oxidative stress. Many adults over 60 report improved comfort when beet juice is included regularly and in moderation. Weight management support. Beet juice is naturally low in calories and hydrating. When consumed with fiber, it may support fullness and balanced appetite, helpful for maintaining healthy weight goals after 60. Immune nutrient support. Beets provide vitamin C, iron, and magnesium, nutrients important for immune function and vitality. This support becomes especially relevant for adults over 60 who want to stay resilient year-round. Digestive support. Fiber plays an important role in digestion and gut balance. Introducing beet juice gradually allows the digestive system to adapt comfortably, supporting regular digestion. Antioxidant support. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals, a natural part of aging. Beet juice contributes to antioxidant intake as part of a balanced, varied diet. Nutrient awareness for special life stages. Beets contain folate, iron, and potassium, important nutrients for different life stages. Anyone with specific health needs should always consult a healthcare provider before dietary changes. How to prepare beet juice safely for adults over 60. 1. Choose fresh, preferably organic beets. 2. Wash thoroughly. 3. Start with small portions, about half a cup. 4. Blend with water, apple, or ginger. 5. Drink earlier in the day. Consistency matters more than large amounts. Possible side effects. Beet juice is generally well tolerated, but be aware. Temporary color changes in urine or stool are harmless. Excess amounts may cause digestive discomfort. Kidney concerns require professional guidance. Moderation is essential. Beet juice is not a cure or a replacement for medical care. But for adults over 60, when used thoughtfully and in moderation, it may become a simple daily habit that gently supports circulation, energy, digestion, and overall well-being. Small, consistent habits often create the most meaningful long-term results. Listen to your body, start slowly, and choose balance over extremes. Have you tried beet juice, or are you considering adding it to your routine? Share your experience in the comments. Your story may help others. Subscribe to Your Longevity Secrets channel for calm, educational health content created specifically for adults over 60. Thank you for watching, and here's to supporting your health, one simple habit at a time.